twice here because this is it for me. But you've probably seen this item many times before. It usually has 6 sides to it. It's called a die, or dice for 2 of them. This has only got 2 sides to it. Now first of all, I'll show you what the trick would look like if I wasn't going to show you, just like if it was a magic trick. Then I'll show you how it's done and teach you how to do it. Here's my 1 side, my 4 side, my 3 side, and my 6 side. But how can I have a 1 side, a 4 side, a 3 side, and a 6 side when I only have 2 sides? Well, I'll show you how I can have a 1 side, a 4 side, a 3 side, and a 6 side when I only have 2 sides. There's a real technical term for this in magic. Does anybody have any idea what it is? It's actually called cheating. There's only 5 dots on that side. See, that makes it look like 4, and that makes it look like 6. There's only 2 dots on this side. That makes it look like 1, that makes it look like 3. So if you want to make this trick and amaze your friends, get a piece of paper, cardboard, or whatever you can find, construction paper, cut it into a rectangle, draw 2 dots on one side, 1 in the bottom, 1 in the middle. When you turn the card around just like I did, 3 dots on the left-hand side, and 2 dots on the right with a space in the middle. Once you've done that, you're ready to go in front of a mirror and start practicing this. You take your right hand, you put it over the bottom dot like so, and you look in the mirror and go, there's my 1 side, because you want to convince the audience that there's only 1 dot there. Yes, sir?
So if I'm having difficulty convincing myself,
well,
what do I get?
Therapy.
Okay.
Okay, there we go.
I think I'll have my wife learn this.
There we go. Now, moving right along, since your left hand is free, it looks very natural for you to cover up that middle dot on the other side, turn it over just like so, and say, there's my 4 side. Again, you convince yourself 4. You don't say, or make any gesture to that. Now, because you've actually turned the card over again, the empty space is now at the bottom. So again, it looks very natural for you to cover up the empty space, turn it around and say, there's my, and you say 3 side. Now you convince them that there's 3. Again, the empty space has turned over where your left hand is going to go to cover it up. So what you do is cover it up, turn it around like so, and say, there's my 6 side. But remember to practice this trick in front of a mirror, because if you ever are in front of an audience like I am right now, and if you ever happen to accidentally remove your hand from there, people are going to start laughing at you. Then if you show them this side, they'll start laughing even more. But I suggest never ever show them the same side twice.